Hello, friends. If you're over 60, I want you to know something important. Losing muscle as you age is not a given. Yes, it's common, but it's not inevitable. In fact, more than 80% of adults over 70 will experience significant muscle loss if nothing is done about it. That's what leads to frailty, increased falls, and a faster decline in independence. But here's the good news. You can absolutely do something about it, starting today. In this video, I'll walk you through 8 powerful daily habits, all backed by solid science, that can help you restore strength, stability, and confidence in your body. These aren't extreme workouts or prescriptions. They're simple, practical routines you can adopt right at home. And I'll let you in on a little secret. One of these habits alone boosted muscle growth by 44% in seniors, without stepping foot in a gym or taking a single pill. It's that effective, and you'll learn exactly how to do it. As a physician who has worked with thousands of older adults across the country, I can tell you this: your body still has remarkable potential to rebuild, to grow stronger, and to help you live more fully. You deserve that. Let's take that first step together. If you find this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone you care about. Let's spread the message that aging doesn't mean giving up strength. It means fighting for it, smartly and safely. Take care. If you're over 60 and feeling like your body isn't as strong or steady as it used to be, I want you to hear this clearly. Your strength is not gone. It's just waiting to be rebuilt. And you can start right now, safely and naturally, from home. Let me walk you through 8 simple, proven habits that can help you regain muscle, confidence, and independence. 1. Prioritize protein at every meal. Many of my older patients eat what they think is a healthy diet, but they're missing enough protein, the cornerstone of muscle health. In one study, seniors who consumed just 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily saw a 28% increase in muscle mass, a 19% increase in leg strength. My advice? Spread your protein intake across breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Include options like Greek yogurt, eggs, beans, fish, lean meats, and plant proteins like soy or almonds. Even if you don't exercise, protein helps your muscles hold their ground. 2. Move every hour. Even just a little sitting too long sends your muscles the wrong message: shut down. But even small movements can make a big difference. Just 3 to 5 minutes of gentle motion each hour led to 22% lower risk of muscle loss, 16% better balance and response time. Try this. Set a reminder to stand, stretch, or move your arms and legs every hour. Even if you're seated, torso rotations or ankle circles count. 3. Stay intentionally hydrated. As we age, the natural sense of thirst fades, and that can sabotage muscle health before you even realize it. Seniors who drank 6 to 8 cups of water daily experienced 31% fewer muscle cramps, 26% better exercise recovery. Start each morning with water. Use lemon or cucumber to flavor it if plain water is hard to drink. Avoid sugary beverages and limit caffeine, which can dehydrate you. 4. Protect your sleep. It builds muscle. Sleep isn't just rest, it's repair time. When you sleep deeply, your body releases growth hormone and rebuilds damaged muscles. Those who averaged 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night saw 27% faster strength gains, 21% less muscle soreness. Make your room cool, dark, and screen-free before bed. Avoid heavy meals late, and consider natural sleep supports like magnesium or melatonin if needed. 5. Incorporate eccentric movement, slow lowering. This one's a secret weapon. Muscles actually grow the most during the lowering part of an exercise. In one study, seniors using eccentric training 3 times a week gained 39% leg strength, 22% better balance. Go slow when lowering yourself into a chair or down the stairs. Do wall push-ups, slow squats, or controlled motions with light weights or bands. 6. Add healthy fats that fight inflammation. We used to tell people to fear fat, but the right fats actually protect your muscles. Seniors who added more omega-3 rich foods saw 33% increase in muscle protein synthesis, 20% drop in harmful inflammation markers. Eat salmon, walnuts, chia seeds, or drizzle olive oil on veggies. Avoid trans fats in fried or packaged foods. They accelerate muscle loss. 7. Use ice soaks for hands or feet. It may sound old-fashioned, but cold therapy works. Brief ice soaks can trigger healing and strength in your muscles and joints. A study showed that just 5 minutes of cold soaks daily led to 31% improvement in grip and toe strength, 27% less muscle pain. Use a small basin with ice water. Start with just 1 to 3 minutes. Avoid if you have nerve issues or poor circulation, but otherwise, it's a powerful and inexpensive tool. 8. Make resistance training a daily habit. Top tip. This is the most effective thing you can do to regain strength after 60. And no, you don't need a gym. A 12-week study found that just 15 minutes a day of resistance exercise resulted in 44% gain in muscle mass. Fewer falls, less frailty, and lower hospitalization risk. Start small, chair squats, wall push-ups, or using soup cans for light resistance. The key is consistency. Go slow. Focus on control, not intensity. Final thoughts. You don't have to accept weakness as part of aging. These habits are not gimmicks. They're based on science, and I've seen them change lives. So please, start with one habit today and build from there. Your strength, your balance, your independence, they're still within reach. If you found this advice helpful, please like and share the video. You never know whose life you might change by passing this along. Stay strong and take good care of yourself. Muscle loss is not your destiny. It's your body's way of asking for help. And the good news is, we now have the tools to answer that call. These 8 simple, science-backed habits I've shared with you today can do more than slow down the aging process. They can reverse it in meaningful ways. Whether it's prioritizing protein, moving just a little more each hour, or committing to better sleep, small, consistent choices every day can rebuild your strength, renew your energy, and restore the confidence and independence you deserve. As a physician, I've seen firsthand how these habits change lives. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to start. So, I'd love to hear from you. Which habit are you going to try first? Leave a comment below and let's encourage one another. And if this message resonated with you, please like this video and share it with someone you care about. There are so many people out there who need to know. Aging is inevitable, but weakness doesn't have to be. Take care of yourself.